Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A54, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. You can provide the device in the back so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work just as well. From there, let's pop the tray out, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, like so, and then once you take it out, you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So place it on a tray, and from there insert it back into the device. Give it a moment and we should have a, there we go, pin for the SIM card. So SIM card is obviously working, and SD card should be working just as well. Just quickly look for it. So there's the SD card as well. Now that being said, this is how you would insert your cards, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.